Hear it. A Waukesha man calls 911 asking police to remove a snoring woman from his bed.
I was wondering if you could send an officer over to my place to have somebody physically removed.
Who do you want removed?
Just a girl. She's sleeping in my bed.
She's in your bed right now?
She's just snoring away like a train.
Is that her snoring that I'm hearing?
Yeah, she's snoring like a train.
Police say the man was drunk and brought the woman home. When he couldn't wake her up to stop snoring, he called police. They did respond. Officers got her to wake up, gave her a clean bill of health, and told the man this was not a police matter.